Have you ever had a conversation with someone who you totally disagree with? The chances are it might have been a difficult conversation, but you would have learned a lot because you were understanding a totally different point of view. We don't often do this, and the question is, why? Today's issues are more complex than ever before, but our debates are turning black and white. We live in a world of post-truth politics, where debates are formed based on emotion rather than the details of policy. Accusations of partisanship and fake news are drowning out rational and informed debate. We hear people have had enough of experts. That's only because they're unresponsive, inaccessible, and locked away in their ivory towers. From all the muck and the mire, it'd be easy to lose interest in the politics. Every time history repeats itself, the price goes up. If we fail to learn from our past mistakes, the consequences keep getting greater. This is why we designed the WikiCurve. WikiCurve tracks an issue in real time. It allows you to understand the context of an issue and how it's evolved right to the present. Compare what people said then to now. Every global issue goes through 6 stages of maturity, which you can track on the WikiCurve. Observation, when a few people start to challenge the status quo. Emergence, there's a growing group of activists and academics who theorise about the topic. Specialists emerge, but there's still very little public profile. Popularisation, the issue starts to spread. The media begins covering it. Mainstream groups begin to advocate on the behalf of change. Challenge. The issue has become of mainstream importance. People are talking about it with their friends and family. The vested interests are starting to become very concerned, and they push back and advocate for everything to remain the same. Governance. The need for change is no longer contested. Policy is being developed. Societal attitudes are more fixed. Normalisation. Societal views have changed. The status quo has been overturned. All issues throughout history have followed this very same pattern. The WikiCurve maps out the societal context for change. Understanding the true complexity of an issue allows us to move from an adversarial debate to one which is an informed and meaningful dialogue that will allow us to shape a better future for us all. We want all perspectives, government and business, activist and academic, and the community, to answer and resolve some of the world's biggest issues. So we're inviting you to contribute. WikiCurve, transcend the echo chamber.